Many users are curious about installing GBW WhatsApp on an iPhone, but it's important to understand the risks before attempting it. In this review, we'll go over expert advice and highlight potential security issues. Hey everyone, welcome back. Some people try to get GBW WhatsApp on an iPhone for extra features. The process usually involves opening a browser like Edge and searching for GB WhatsApp iPhone download. While you may find APK files for Android, iPhone versions are trickier and often require risky workarounds. If you follow any unofficial instructions, you might take a download link and install the app outside the App Store. While it may appear in your apps afterward, this approach bypasses Apple's security safeguards and can put your device at risk. Security experts strongly advise against installing GBW WhatsApp on an iPhone. Apps from untrusted developers can compromise your privacy, often relying on unauthorized or revoked developer certificates. Using these apps can lead to data theft, malware, or account bans. In short, GBW WhatsApp on an iPhone is not safe and should be avoided. Always stick to trusted sources, like the official Apple App Store, to keep your device secure and protect your personal information. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. Stay smart and stay prepared.